This isn't just another landscape painting. Today we are bringing a peaceful forest painting with light, shadows and reflections. Step by step using acrylic techniques. I will guide you through the whole process. If you are a beginner, you can do this. So grab your brushes and let's start painting. We will start with the sky. Mix white and blue and paint soft horizontal strokes with a flat brush. Keep the sky light and calm. It will make the forest look peaceful. Let's add big trees on both sides. Use brown for the tree stems and paint them thick and tall. Now we will paint trees far away in the background. Use a thin brush and dab dark green mixed with the Indian red and Persian blue. Make them small and light. They look far from us. In the center, let's paint a calm lake. Use light blue and white and blend it softly in horizontal strokes. Now paint the land using mix of browns and greens. Just dab the brush to create a soft ground effect. Let's paint some small stones near the lake. Use grey and bit of black and make simple round shapes. Add a small shadow below them using a darker color to give them weight. Now pull light reflections of the trees down into the lake. Very soft strokes. Then blend sideways. If you enjoyed this, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for easy painting tutorials. Almost done. Let's add some final touches. Use a small brush to add a grass blades. Little white dots on the water for light sparkles and maybe few branches here and there. These tiny details make your painting come alive. And we are done. A peaceful forest, calm lake and all lovely details. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.